How to recover TikTok account without phone or email address. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Now head towards the profile page. At the top right, you will find three bars. Click on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Head towards the option of report a problem. Now at the top, you will see this search box. Over here, type in account recovery and search for it. Now you can click on this very first option. Is your problem resolved? Click on no. Click on need more help. Now over here, you will need to explain about your problem. You can just explain in the similar way as I have done it. I have wrote, I forgot my password and want to recover my TikTok account, but I have no access to email and phone number linked with my account. And then enter the username of your TikTok account that you want to recover. Also mention the email address that is valid so that they could contact you. From here, you can add the pictures and videos of your TikTok profile that you want to recover. Once you fill this, click on the option of submit. After you submit the report, TikTok will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that your account will be recovered. So this is how you can recover TikTok account without phone and email address. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.